$5 meal deal at McDonald's.
Hey, sister. Your favorite song. This is a remix.
I don't know about you, but I wish it came true. I wish it came true. I wish it came true. Matter of fact, let me take you on another round.
Told her say my number on the Big Dipper. Got her wishing on a star. Say my number on the Big Tipper. Got her blowing kisses from the bar. I wish you could stay, but when you walk away,
You look delicious from far. She roll up on me, then they get lit. Girl, you my Swisher cigar.
shorty rather lay by the poolside than stay by a full side.
Been teaching on yourself too long. You just think about me, period.
Need a tea, baby, I got the
I don't think about you too, that's why I went live.
Baby, I got the news. I got the
That's exactly why I went live.
I got a pee, baby, like I produce. Come through the stool, let you hear something nice. Bring that shit back, let you hear something twice. Ask how to keep drama clear from her life. I hear some advice. Stop being friendly to the fuck boys.
Yeah.
Stop being friendly to the fuck boys. Stop being friendly to the fuck boys. Stop being friendly to the fuck boys.
Hold up.
Who you been craving for? The
My
one that
head's starting to hurt.
hop in the shower and shave it for. Come and watch Power the day before.
Yeah,
Baby, why your man be suspicious? Rub your booty till you grant me 3 wishes. I'ma hit for every call that she misses. Every time I shoot my shot, it be switching. Every time I shoot my shot, it be switching.
Watch that.
This a remix, so I know what she wishing.
I hit it once and she want me to stroke a gun. I get it wet like a super soaker gun.
I like it.
Now she looking for me like I'm on the run. She think I'm the one. Say she finna come. She gon' bust it, she gon' bust it, I know. When she say it, she gon' never touch it, oh no. I like it.
She be screaming, beat it up.
Then she making go slow. Then she tell me speed it up. Now she begging no more. Like I'm crazy on your spot. Tickle, lick a lot. Then she kiss the tippy top. Then it turn it slippy sloppy. Then waste not a drop when she copy. I got the juice. She let it splash on me. No, I'm the truth. Ain't gotta ask about me. Almost done, you guys.
Baby, you know who I am.
Not really, but still.
Hold up. Ain't gotta listen to shit. It's too hard.
It's too hard.
Tired of all these flashing lights. We should just fucking the guy. Once you let me in it, I'ma get to switching different positions. Had an ass wishing that I was your own nigga. Yeah. Wishing that I was your own nigga.
Yeah.
Wishing that I was your nigga.
You are.
Once you let me in it, I'ma get to switching different positions. Had an ass wishing that I
Know
was
you've been hoping and praying. Cause I've been right here and I heard every word you were saying. You've been complaining, but who did it, baby? And do you need saving? Well, I'll be your savior from all of your exes that you've been regretting. You shouldn't be sweating them. I can do you better. I'll be your motherfucking genie in a bottle. Rub it down, you can fuck it till tomorrow. Till the sun comes. Yeah. Granting all of your wishes. Ain't nothing like none of these bitches. And I'll have you wishing that I was your woman.
I really should do a side part.
I know my ex-bitch tryna front, but don't.
No, I'm not Tori. I tell her no, I'm Godzilla. Monster, get it wet, I kill it. Dope dick, you better believe I said it. Hit it so hard, you believe I nailed it down.
Yeah, but I held shit down.
I held this shit right down.
All on the corner, go hustling on it just so I can take you out of town.
They ain't ballin', baby, they be out of bounds.
I can smoke that pussy like a mile an ounce. I can get that body tweaking for you, baby.
You just keep it clean and squeaky for me, baby.
You can tell by the way that a young nigga treat you. Body so curvy in the dress and see-through. Looking so good, I fuck you all in front of these people.
Baby, you know who I am. Girl, I know just who you are.
Hold up,
We ain't gotta rush in the shit, cause being in love is too hard.
hold up.
I'm tired of all these flashing lights, girl, we should just fuck in the dark. Once you let me in it, I'ma get to switching different positions. Had that ass wishing that I was your nigga. Wishing that I was your nigga. Yeah. Wishing that I was your nigga. Yeah. Once you let me hit it, I'ma get to switching different positions. Had that ass wishing that I was your nigga.
You wanna know what my wish was? It's for your wish to come true. That's all I ever wanted. Feels good, don't it?
Wish I was your
Keep wishing. I'ma keep granting.
Wishing that I was your nigga.
Oh, thanks, babes.
I know a lot of you guys like me are not happy with the way things are being run right now. The border's going crazy, prices and inflation are through the roof. That's why, guys, I am pumped up with SendTheVote.com. SendTheVote.com is a pro-America, pro-freedom organization that's going to make sure you're registered to vote and your vote is going to count. This is not about being Republican or a Democrat. This is a nonpartisan organization. This is just going to make sure that everybody's vote is counted and nobody is left on the sidelines.
When it comes to preventing pregnancy, it's your choice how you take control of your body. And when it comes to needing a backup plan, Plan B has you covered. Right here in Michigan. Plan B is emergency contraception you take within 72 hours after unprotected sex. The sooner you take it, the better it works. Get Plan B in-store, online, or via same-day delivery. And find your closest retailer at planb1step.com/get. With Plan B, you've got this. Use as directed.
Use as directed. Oh, it do look a little crooked now. Let's hope we can get into it. Get into some layers or something. Oh, what the? We'll fix that. My head's starting to hurt. How long has this been though? An hour? It's time to cut it.
Do you think there's a chance for you and me?
For you and me.
When a lot of people say you ain't with me.
You're an enemy.
I can't lie, I'm drunk to stop you in the street. We got up on our back, keep it down to the family. Keep it down with your family. No love in a family.
I know there's some girls that don't feel this, but that's alright. I'm gonna
Take my chance and I bet I'm on this.
it's time now. Stop where you at. Don't push time now.
Your friends and my niggas think I'm crazy.
So I get you back up. That's been an hour.
This lady, I've been for your lady.
My head's starting to hurt, so I'm guessing.
We need time to be alone.
Woo!
Music loud, always speakers.
Oh.
Feel like I'm getting deep,
Woo.
and deep. I'm trying to go deep.
Girl, let me go deep.
I wanna go deep, yeah. She want me go deep, yeah. We gonna go
Ooh.
deep, yeah. Don't care what them people say.
You hit my phone, I got your message. I'm not trying to carry your effort. If we take our time, this could be special. Why you gotta be extra? I'm feeling you too, it's just too much pressure. Don't you let it. It's gonna make sense in a minute. Ain't gonna love in a minute. I'ma let the rumors go, let them finish, yeah. But sometimes what you're looking for is right up in your space.
If we take our time, this will be special. Why you gotta be so extra? I'm feeling you too, it's just too much pressure. Don't you let it. It's gonna make sense in a minute. Ain't been in love in a minute. I'ma let the rumors go, let them finish, yeah. Sometimes what you're looking for is right up in your face. Don't go chasing your put me in your space. I don't believe it. I should stop running. No
favorite color is purple and black.
Gave me more than 25
To be alone.
Get that glue in there. Yeah. Damn, I can't even see the lace for real when I do this. I'm talking about this one. It's middle flat. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Thanks for the gift, babe.
The door's locked. It's midnight. Gotta leave out by 4 o'clock. Sneaking and freaking. It's Friday the weekend. I'm just getting started. I don't wanna be you. I tell you I love you. You know that I mean it. You're beating it up and I'm popping. I'm weaving. You fucking all night till the morning. The evening. Gotta lay quiet until we get in.
I'm in and out, loving you more. Hands on your waist, I do the most. Giving you time, girl, I done did that. You say my name when I'm hitting that. I never let the past come back. Did you know you got that comeback?
I know you really want it. You belong to somebody else. Both wanna be together, but we can't act on it. 'Cause you belong to somebody else.
To somebody else.
But you belong to somebody else. Yeah, I know. How bad we both want it. Look at how it sees the moment.
All right. I can fix my middle part a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna wait till I flat iron the whole head. Fuck it. Oh, I didn't get no got to be. Okay. So we're gonna struggle with this can.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm in the winter.
Well, I'm about to come pick you up. I ain't seen him.
Oh, it's coming out easy today.
My bad for that last situation. No, I ain't never made for none of this to go down like that. Now you still think I'm fucking with this girl and that girl, but I ain't doing none of that. I'll put you in no bad situation, no way. Man, Deja already know how you make me feel. So I'm finna come.
Right now?
Yeah, right now.
Alright, pull up.
Alright, fuck you.
I know you really want it. You belong to somebody else. Wanna be
It's not fair I eat like this every day. It's not fair. It's literally not fair. I try to teach you bitches. Every day I try to teach you up. To somebody else. Every day I try to teach you bitches. Yeah, I know. Really? Oh shit. Oh.
Why my sister?
Ah!
Wanna be together. But we can't act on it.
We can.
'Cause you belong to somebody else.
Yeah, I know.
To somebody else. But you belong to somebody else. Yeah, I know. How bad we both want it. Look at how it sees the moment.
Yes, I shave my brows so when I do my makeup, I can arch them
but you're my hero.
real
I know
good.
you're not feeling this election, but please do me a favor. Vote. Our Black history, my access to healthcare, and our voting rights are under attack. Extreme politicians want to take away our voice and our vote. Our future, my future, is on the ballot right now.
Okay.
You have the power to make sure my voice is heard. Please, Dad, use your power. Vote.
Oh, these ads.
Paid for by
Oh
NAACP.
my gosh.
Listen in.
Oh my G.
Starbucks. It's a great day for coffee.
Oh my days.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing K. Michelle.
Tonight I'm feeling sexy. I can make you overdose, make it overflow if you let me. Like a river, my waterfall, away down the lake. You gon' get soaked, so bring a raincoat. When we finish, you gon' see a rainbow. Swimming the waters like a sailboat. You just make it love with me like people. One sip on it as I drip on it. You gon' have to change my name to H2O. You love it when I call your name, Daddy, Daddy. You love it when I make it rain, Daddy, Daddy. Love will come, make me overflow, make me overflow. You stand the rain. We get done. I still want some more. You make it rain. I can get it wetter than a thunderstorm. Make love from the midnight to the early morning. Waking you up like some food just in your cup. That morning brew is what I do. Baby, can you swim deep? One deep. Diving in the ocean while you in the sheets. In the sheets. What you do you got for me? You know I'm trying to tell you. You love it when I call your name, Daddy, Daddy. You love it when I make it right, Daddy, Daddy. Love will come, make me overflow, make me overflow. Can you stand the rain? We get done. I still want some more. I still want some more. Can you make
Almost done, you guys. Oh, I only got 30 minutes, so I gotta go pick up Mumi. Oh my days.
We trip the night away. Boy, it ain't no rush. Take your time away. Boy, that love will keep it right there. No, never ever know. I'm so right, baby, it's you and I. Through the good and bad, I'ma bring you good and bad. And when the storm comes and the rain falls, we'll be making up. We'll be making up. Make me your
Oh, I get it. Oh, okay. Niggas trying to be on some slick shit. How you gonna do a freaky girl song and not include Nicki Minaj? I mean, come on now. You know my fucking name. Let's get
She's a very freaky girl. Don't be her mama. First you get a nine, then you get a number. Then you get some brain in the pussy of the hummer. Then you get some brain in the pussy of the hummer. She's a very freaky girl. She get it from her mama. First you get a nine, then you get a number. Then you get some brain in the pussy of the hummer. Then you get some brain in the pussy of the hummer.
You want a freaky girl? Welcome to Nicki World. Meet the Nicki World.
Let me think. What could I do to kick it off? How about I come on your dick and then I lick it off?
I mean, it's something so funny when it gets out. I like to play with it, squeeze it like a stress ball. She say she likes to Hear the sound, them is slurping it. Turn up his phone, cause them hoes keep chirping it. Tell me that I got the baddest pussy in the whole world. And if I let them eat it, I could be his old girl. Fuck I look like turning down some head. I mean I sort it like a bird, turning down some bread. You can eat it like a treat, you can squirt it, you can ski. I'm a freak, I let it be. Just don't get none in my sheets. Every time I pop the coochie, you just start choking me. Now I'm kinda scared, I got a feeling you just stalking me. Sex game kinky, niggas call me pinky. Fuck the president, I am Nicki Louise.
Very freaky girl, don't bring out a mama. First you get a night, then you get a number, then you get some wine in the pussy of the hummer. Then you get some wine in the pussy of the hummer.
I'm a very freaky girl, 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 very freaky girl. Whoa, you want a freaky girl? Welcome to Kimmy's world. You ain't gon' want to leave, it's like a kid at Disney World. My deep throat ain't squirting like a water gun. Cookie overflowing like somebody let the faucet run. Bust one nut, I ain't done, I got more to come. Friends tell them more to come. We gon' have some orgy fun, yeah. Sugar on me like some bubble gum, I lick you like a lollipop. Once you taste my honey bun, it's a little secret, just like my underwear. You know pain is pleasure, can you make me shed a tear? Smack my ass, grab my neck, got him coming everywhere. I'm a freak, so I don't care, just don't get none in my head. Now he calling me right here, and he wanna introduce me, taking me on shopping sprees. He wanna buy me Gucci, moving like Bootsy on the back of his Suzuki. And I ain't even sex him, all I did was let him eat my coochie. Oh.
She's a very freaky girl. She get it from her mama. First you get a name, then you get a number, then you get some wine in the pussy of the hummer. Then you get some wine in the pussy of the hummer. Very freaky girl. She get it from her mama. First you get a name, then you get a number, then you get some wine in the pussy of the hummer. Then you get some wine in the pussy of the hummer.
Almost done, y'all. Gotta hurry up. Just to hurry up. Trash.
She said get out the chat room and clean my
Kanye, it's fine, man. I'm
What the fuck? Gotta blame for what we could have been, cause look at where we are. Your friends are scared to tell you you went too far. Funny that it's always been all about you from the start. I met someone new last night and we kicked it, and I know you're there tonight. And you know what's on my mind this time. Going back there tonight, and you know what's on my mind. So if you had my love and I gave you all my trust, would you comfort me? And if somehow you know that your love won't be true, would you lie to me? If you had my love and I gave you all my trust, would you comfort me? And if somehow you know that your love won't be true, would you lie to me?
out of body. That's just how I feel when I'm around you, shorty. Last night we didn't say it, but girl, we both thought it. Why second guess? I should've stayed. You
say the word, I'm on the way. This shit feels like teenage fever. I'm not scared of it, she ain't either. Why you second guess I should've stayed? Cause you know what's on my mind, so if you had my love and I gave you all my trust, would you come for me? And if somehow you knew that your love would be true, would you like to? Okay. If you had my love and I gave you, I'm kind of getting faster at installing wigs. These take me 6 hours. And if somehow you knew that your love would be true, would you lie to me? I think I'm gonna do layers. All right. I'm gonna fix the part when I take this band off. And then when I get moomies, we can, I can just start my makeup. Just start my makeup.
Slightly.
It's gonna be a little earlier because we're gonna get home early, 1:30.
6 a.m.
Yeah.
Slightly been awake for 24 hours, so please forgive me.
We're gonna have a lot of time. I'm definitely gonna be done by the time my son get home. Okay, today was smooth.
I'm waffling.
Today was smooth.
Tired. Jesus Christ.
We are right on a good schedule. We are on a great schedule. Maybe I should try and fix it before I go out in public, huh?
Look. Okay, I know what it feel like to be young and single. You know the life when your pockets got a bunch of singles. You know take a double shot saying fuck a single. You know hardly getting sleep, but it's the fucking dream. No, look, I know what it feel like to think you found the one. Told mom that so many times I'm sounding dumb. Cause she's
Bangs will be cute in this too.
Up with Tanisha and saying hi Brittany when I'm on the phone with Lisa.
Hold up. Headshot.
Drink.
Sit down.
Drink.
Stand up.
Drink.
Pass out.
Drink.
Wake up.
Drink.
Fade it. Fade it.
Now I done grew up around some people living their life in bottles. Granddaddy had the golden flask, backstroke every day in Chicago. Some people like the way it feels. Some people want to kill their sorrow. Some people want to fit in with the popular. That was my problem. I was in a dark room, loud tunes, looking to make a vow soon that I'ma get fucked up, filling up my cup. I see the crowd mood changing by the minute, and the record on repeat. Took a sip, then another sip, then somebody said to me, nigga, why you babysitting? Only 2 or 3 shots. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. First you get a swimming pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. Pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. I wave a few bottles, then I watch them all fly. All the girls wanna play, they watch. I got a swimming pool full of liquor and they dive in it.
No, fuck that! Drink.
Headshot.
Drink.
Sit down.
Drink.
Stand up. Pass out. Wake up.
Chillin' in my head, a little free. Got 3 bad friends and they all on me. Let me a baby girl, been chillin' all week. All we do is fuck. Chillin' in my head, a little free. Got 3 bad friends and they all on me. Let me a baby girl, been chillin' all week.
And I wondered what it was like to be chosen.
I'm gonna have me a drink. It's your boy Joe Jackson. I'm back with a little video. Listen, I just saw Peach and it's talking about she's staying in Tampa for the hurricane. Bitch, I don't hear nothing about you and them 7 motherfucking children when a wave come and wipe your ass away. Okay? It's your boy Joe Jackson. I'm back.
Y'all, why this car just hit this man, a Buick, just hit the man on his bike. And they like, they nobody else today. I love my Arab and my Hispanic friends. Because one thing about it, all the Arab corner stores open in Tampa, Florida. And meanwhile, while everybody else closed, baby, Bravo open. Bravo say they got whatever you need. They got it. Bring them Yankees here. They got the few cents because it's crazy. At all times, guys. Make sure you guys bring extra clothes. Make sure you guys bring blankets, pillows. You can bring your own snacks, but they will be providing you with breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It has gotten really crowded compared to how it was. So Peach Patch, I just made it into Tampa, Florida, and I'm hungry. We need to eat, and all the restaurants are closed, but in the hood, Keys open. Now I am right outside of Belma Heights. I am currently in Tampa, Florida. It is a few hours before Hurricane Milton is supposed to make landfall. These people are walking to the shelter. I drove this shelter yesterday. This is Middleton High School. It's in East Tampa. So Peach Patch, I'm headed into Tampa, and the interstate is pretty much clear. Rain isn't too bad right now. It's 77 degrees. So Peach Patch, I just made it to Tampa, Florida. We are down on Bayshore Boulevard. All of those channels are about to start setting up here. And Mr. Joe is still here. Peach Patch, and those channels fast and not.
Okay, my bad.
All the girls wanna play, they watch. I got a swimming pool full of liquor.
And they diving.
Headshot.
Let's see if we can get this straight.
Sit down. Stand up. Pass out.
Right.
Wake up.
I'm just gonna keep it like this, actually. Actually, I'm gonna take the band off before I go.
100 shots, bang, pop out, do you, bang,
Two chopper, 200 shots.
bang, alright, you right, bang, one chopper, 100 shots, bang, pop out, do you, bang, two chopper, 200 shots, bang. Nigga, why you baby sitting on these 2 or 3 shots? I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. First you get a swimming pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. Pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. I wave a few bottles, then I watch them all fly. All the girls wanna play, they watch. I got a swimming pool full of liquor,
And they diving.
liquor, I'ma dive in it.
I need some more concealer, too.
Headshot. Sit down. Stand up. Pass out. Wake up. Fade it. Fade it.
Hope this works. Pray for me. Pray for me.
When you go to McDonald's,
Keep praying, honey.
But what kind of mood is it? Is it a dip your fries into a vanilla cone kind of mood? Maybe it's a I'm gonna sip out of my shake and soft drink at the same time kind of mood. Or how about a I don't need dipping sauce, I'm eating my McNuggets with my fries kind of mood. Well, whatever mood you're in, it's fine by us. As long as it's a McDonald's mood.
I don't know what they want from me. It's like the...
For a limited time at participating McDonald's. Mail it 1 time per day. Excludes tax. Must opt into rewards.
You'll love Apple Card. It's everything a credit card should be and more. Earn up to 3% daily cash back on every purchase, which can automatically earn interest when you open a high-yield savings account through Apple Card. Apply for Apple Card in the Wallet app. Subject to credit approval. Apple Card owners subject to eligibility.
Okay, why my head looks so damn wide and
by
fat?
Goldman Sachs Bank USA Salt Lake City branch. Member FDIC.
I absolutely hate that.
AppleCard.com.
Okay, we're gonna do layers in this wig. I might actually do a side part because it's looking kind of fat as fuck on the sides, but
Heard about you.
we're gonna see what it's gonna give if we let it marinate a tad bit. Things like that. Thanks, honey. Hey, sister. Oh, it's way too fat. Now this is what I like. That's a fucking little part. It's just because this big ass shit. I wish I knew how to sew caps to my head to make it like, you feel me?
I never did, but you know how to be.
for the gifts, babe. I'm gonna fix the person more. I don't feel like doing it right now. Don't feel like stressing myself right now. Okay, I gotta leave here at 12:45. Mommy's gonna ask for McDonald's again, so I'm most likely gonna get me a quarter pounder or something.
And the bad girls wanna run the girl. Yeah, cause real niggas just want. So it seems that we caught up in the wrong
10-minute makeup challenge.
For a queen who know when to lead. You got a thing for a king, but you want a king. Seems like the ones who hold never got a ring. And I can see that you're yeah, in a literal sense. I mean a physical sense. I mean a ups. Wait, baby, give me a second. I need a minute to bend. I'm only telling you that. I heard you.
I can't do that. I'm not even gonna try it. I'm not even gonna try it. Loud back boy roller. Thanks for the gifts, babe. I'm giving me a quarter pounder when we go to McDonald's. How about them apples? Trying to make my eyeballs smaller.
She her feelings, she ain't wrong. She work hard, she play harder. Got a smart mouth, like the speed fly. She don't catch feelings, she's too busy catching G5. She no saint, step sailing around, gon' blaze out, take the wheel job. Every night I got these women in their river salad. I'm just trying to take a dip, y'all. Never deterred with bullshit, y'all. Never concerned, she's trying to live it out. No one suck up a lot.
Thanks for the gift, babe.
Because you try to follow your gut feeling, you get lost. Some issues here, and I noticed it. You got the coldest cortisone, but warmer skin. You froze with it. You trying to play Sub-Zero, I be Scorpion. Get over here today, smelling like Jean Paul. Got the A. Got about 3 friends, she don't even tweet them. And on IG, but she follow K. Yeah, we had that bed, floor, couch, hold out. You know what? What's up? Forget it. Only bad bitches.
Thanks for the gifts, babe.
Tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Oh no, 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 I've been thinking about you. You no, 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 I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you? Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Or do you not think so far ahead?
I have to leave in 5 minutes. Love you guys. I'm gonna call you back at 1. I thought I seen some ladies, honey. Hold on. Call y'all back at when I get back from doctor's appointment, which should be about 1:30 most likely. So love you guys.